Reviewing assignments submitted to assessment. On the dashboard screen or in a course, search for and select the assignment in the In Progress section. Here you will see information for the assignment, such as assignment title, due date, and course title. Adjust the filtering options if you do not see the information for the assignment. In the window next to the In Progress section, you will see information about the assignment. You will also see the Review Submissions button, how many people submitted, and how many people did not submit. To notify those that did not submit yet, click the Past Due button to open a window. In this window, you can send a reminder email to those who did not submit. To review student submissions, click the Review Submissions button. A window will open up to the first student's submission. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the name of the current student you are reviewing, arrow keys to go to the next student's submission, arrow keys to go to the previous student's submission, and the timestamp for when the student submitted. And that's it. For further assistance, contact the ePortfolio team at eportfolio@lagcc.cuny.edu or visit the MB57 office.